Welcome to all LogZero ETL KT. Before I can start KT, first of all, get knowledge about ETL. Organization need to change the ERP Oracle to HANA. Manually, the company operates transferring the data from Oracle to SAP. The company face lot of problem and need to more human power. If manually we can enter the data, if maybe chances to create some errors. So avoid customer need to avoid this error. So we introduce the ETL and a lot of ETL are available in market, but my ETL product is simple and fast. Same time, my ETL tool is completely different from the other ETL. It's available in the manual and AI agent. AI agent can easy to transfer the data within second. It's avoid the manual enter the data and mapping. So now we can start. Okay, initially we have an create the setup. I have already created the setup because the connection credentials are more sensitive, so I can avoid. Now we can explore the string and connection pages. That we can create the string like provide string name, create. Now it's created successfully. Now it's created successfully. Now we are going to the connection pages. Investments are available. Investment. Now we can choose SAP HANA or RDBMS. Okay, the same connect. We can provide the connection name and URL using the password. Once we have created, we can test connection. The connection accuracy successfully. It's just why I don't create because already created connections at the same time and the username password and connection username credentials are more sensitive, so I don't share. Next we learn how create data extract. Principal name, connection name I have already available, so I can provide the connection name. Connection. Then we have a provide table and query option. If user can use the table and query format, now I can use the query format. The data extract name is data extract. Okay. Now I can select the table because I want to move the table values from Postgres to SAP HANA Cloud. So I can interface mode available in my check mode. Interface is used for the every time the win time every data comes from the extract time. If incremental mode, once we have migrate the data, next time migration time, the last data was collected and selected by the new data only. Okay, so two types edit and incident observable. So I can use the table. And now I can run the description. So the data is this one and description. Create extract. Extract created successfully. Now I can extract check execution. Then data extracted successfully. Okay. Now we can create the loader for the SCP. Connect SCP. Okay. Sprint on the same must sprint same. Okay. Now we can create the data loader against the same sprint of data extract. The connection I have already created, so I can use this time. Now we can provide the loader name. Okay. Now we can create the loader SAP HANA and and now I can provide the object URL path, but it's not showing probably because it's an sensitive information. After I can upload the JSON, I can draw option view read only and user can edit this again because based on the business requirement sometimes need, so I can provide the read only and then editing option. So now I can create, now we can create an order or absolutely created. If we need to the form execution, we need to provide some extra additional details. So initially I avoid this because we can directly execute from the migration flow. Okay, this shows the we have migration, start the migration flow. The migration flow is now, we now start the migration flow. Before we start a migration flow, what happened? Because the migration flow background happening from the data transformation from source to target. Okay. So we did the sprint name is against the loader and the data extract are same. So now we can change this. So now we can start the migration flow. Okay, now we can select the data extract and data loader. Okay, now we can select the data loader and extract. So I can provide description. Okay, symbol integration. Now we can provide the microflow. So solution from the ingredients. Okay, now I can execute the data, extracted 10 records and completed successfully. Okay, we can provide the extra history and now we can check the view data. The data has been transferred successfully, transferred product. Why someone asked question why we need to change the material product? Because ECC and old we can call the material, but if the HANA cloud is then called for a product, so we have simple level of changes. So I can choose this material. Okay, now we can understand the manual operation. Now we can move from the AI mode. It's an AI agent. Yeah, okay. It's an initial screen. In the AI, then we can create sprint uh, and create connection everything, but I can restrict the connection because connection credential I don't allow LLM to view the connection credentials. So I can just now I can I'm not allow LLM to read the connection credentials. So it's sensitive. So I can avoid this for AI agent. I can create the extract, loader, and migration flow. Okay, with the natural language. Okay, now we can start it. Once it's in executed, I can explain the prompt. Please wait. And now our goal is move the data from. Now our goal is move those data from Postgres to the Oracle using AI agent. Okay, I have already created the prompt. Now I can create the prompt. Okay, actually prompt meaning is use print means just you can use the print webKA and create the data extract from this name and connection for connection name. The connection was already tested, so no need to we can share the user credentials. Okay, and database type SQL. Some data has been little bit of change on the agent and stage true and stage error data are also true. Okay, in every mode I can provide the prompt for the user can easily understand inside. The AI LLM can easily understandable and provide the query. Okay. Now I can create the loader also created. Okay. That same as what happened in the same process of the extract. Sprint name created. So the loader created against the sprint using the connections and loader name provided connection name and object URL path which is hidden from view and next dash method post large sound and long inside. Okay, this these are mapping and drawing description. Okay, and now I can also against this print creating the manager flow use the extract and loader. Now we can execute the mixing flow. Okay, mixture queued extracted 10 values. 10 values. You can check the data options here. Successfully the data has been loaded. So I can show the data successfully loaded or not. Also I can show the SAP HANA. Okay. You can now can understand why the AI assistant more helpful compared to the manual operations. Okay. The AI assistant is used to finally avoid the manual operations. So I'm checking on HANA Cloud for AI and manual migration success record. Also, next we can check iPhone data. Yeah, it's also successfully inserted. In future, I have developed my own LLM and implemented based on the business requirement new features like data extract joins and integration flows and other extra features based on the business requirements. Mail email ID are mariselbam1310 and I'm ready to work with you. And thanks for participating. If you need any clarification, you can reach me, mail and LinkedIn. Thank you.